Well, folks, it has been a night. We had 90-mile-an-hour winds all through the night. We are all in power outages all over our neighborhood and cities. And so, Frog, we're going on an adventure, and we're going to go look at some of the damage that's been done. Ranches down all over town. Look, even the dogs are helping to pick up the sticks. Look at all that tree branches coming down. Look at all this. We've been up early cutting out tree branches and trees, whole trees there. Whoa. Look at all that. Look at all that cloud and snow. You guys, like a week ago it was 100 degrees. And now, there's snow. Don't tell me the mountains don't change fast. Look at those poor flowers. They've been blown every which way. That bush or tree left a whole bunch of mess all over the road. Lots of damage. These flowers survived the winds. How pretty are they? Look at that. A whole pine tree went down. See back in the back under the bulldozer? That's the trunk of it. All that tree. And I think that it fell on that house because that house has a bunch of sawdust and stuff on it. Looks like it wasn't too damaged though, so that's good. Frog, that's a crazy day last night. I guess it's not a day. Crazy night last night. What do you think, buddy? Yeah, I know, right? Frog found this tree completely uprooted. Let's go see Frog. Let's show him. Look at that root system. It's completely lifted out of the ground. Whole tree down on the sidewalk. What do you think about that, Frog? Crazy stuff, huh? Nothing to say. Are you speechless? Yeah? Look at that tree. They're taking it down because it's split. Serious wind damage around here. So here's our park. It's got this huge bunches of branches. Oh, Frog, look at that. There are branches everywhere, Frog. Branches everywhere. Out in the parking lot. And you know, folks, it's kind of cold, isn't it, Frog? It's a little bit chilly. Frog's gonna have to put on his fluff. Lots and lots of wind damage. Look at that. Wow, look at that tree. The whole thing just... Well, it looks like it's not the whole tree. So, Frog, look at that. That tree has been ripped up. But let's go see the rest of the tree. That tree has basically been split in half, or thirds, I guess. Because, whoa, frog, that's a big old hole. I don't even know, honestly, if this is safe to be here. All right, we're backing up so you can see that whole tree. Just basically got put in thirds, and look at all that carnage. Wow, frog, what a day. And what a night it was last night. Yep, I know, right? Frog, this tree put a hole in the roof when it came down. See the branch up there still? Frog, do you see that hole in the roof with the branch sticking out of it? Oh, that's rough. This tree put a hole right in the roof. Look at that thing. Look at that, frog. Look at that. Frog, look at that. That's the root system of the pine tree. Whole big tree. Frog, that's a mess, isn't it? Well, folks, thanks for watching our video. Thanks for going on this adventure with us, and have a fantastic day.